Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the area and tools so the job goes smoothly. Put on gloves and glasses, park level, and engage the parking brake. Next, clean the plate face and edges to reveal screws and clips. This prevents stripping. Apply a few drops of penetrating oil to any rusty or stubborn fasteners and let it soak for a minute. Once done, choose the correct driver or socket and position yourself so you can apply steady, aligned force without slipping. You now remove the fasteners one at a time, turning counterclockwise with controlled pressure so the bit stays centered. If bolts are tamper-proof, switch to the matching security bit or use a bolt extracting socket. Forcing the wrong tool will round the head. For plates attached with adhesive or blind rivets, warm the area with a heat gun on low to soften glue, then prise slowly with a flat tool. Make sure to support the plate edge so it won't warp or bend during extraction. You finish by lifting the plate straight away from the mount and placing all hardware in a labeled bag for later. Clean remaining adhesive with a plastic scraper and isopropyl alcohol so the surface is ready for new plate or reinstall. Make sure not to scratch paint. Inspect holes and studs for damage and replace any bent screws. If a screw head stripped, stop, use a proper extractor, or carefully drill a small pilot hole and fit a replacement. That avoids worsening the problem and preserves the mount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.